Hello guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to create your own custom emails that comes together with your website. It's something like what you're seeing on the screen here. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create this on your phone directly from your cPanel. This video is actually brought to you by Mountains Cloud, your #1 hosting company in Nigeria. So without further wasting of your time, let's go straight into the tutorials. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Okay, to do this, we're going to log into my cPanel. Log into cPanel. Then once we'll go log into our cPanel, you can see it's opening. So what you're going to do now, come to email account. You're going to click on email account. So it's going to open up. You can see currently this one normally comes default. You will always have one as default. So now what you're going to be doing, you are going to click on create account. So you're going to click on create account. You can see this is the website. You're going to select which of them you want to make use of. So now I'm going to now come here, and this is going how is it. I'm going to now, how do I want it? Is it info or is it mail? So you just set what you want to do, or is it support? So actually it depends. So just like, let me say for example, I want to or you can even decide to use a name where perhaps you want to use an at your website name.com. So this can be like this. So let me say for example, I want to use an at my website, or let me just make use of mail at my website name.com. Then I'm going to now click on, you can set your password now, or you can just auto generate your password. So let's just say I'm auto generating the password for it. So, or let me just quickly set my own password I want to make use of. So I've already set the password I want to make use of. So I'm going to now click on create password. Create. Once I click on create, can click either. Then let's just click on create. Now you can see it has generated my email for me. So now I can either just click on check email here. So if to connect to devices, you can just click on this, and you will see all the connection details you need to connect your devices. So this is it. So I'm going to now go back. I'm going to click on go back. So I'm going to click on go back, and then click on manage. If you click on manage, you can set a new password from here. You can see you can set a new password from here. You can also delete the account from here too. So I'm going to go back again. I'm going to go back, then click on check email. So once you click on check email, it's going to log you into your web mail. So now click on open. So you can see this is my web mail. So like from here, I can use this to send emails and receive emails from here directly. So I can always use this. So this is how you do about it. Alright guys, that will be all for this particular video. I believe you might have learned a lot from this video. If you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Until next time, bye for now.